morning, students. Last class started the selfish giant part 2. Here is the giant and the old giant. Here characters are there. That is both are same characters here, selfish and kind character. So old giant has previously selfish character part 1. Then he has changed into kind character. That is he is known as the selfish. That is the giant. Okay, here children. Previously, page number 40, that is every child occupied different trees. Here is the garden entirely. Spring season visited Jane's garden completely except in one corner, one area. Why? Because here the small child is there. So the small child did not climb the tree. So the particular place of his garden, spring season is not there, winter season is there. That is here hail, north wind. Here is snow, frost, hail, north wind are there, stayed there. But here is the giant gradually, the old giant gradually came, reached the spot and he lifted, that is a small boy, and gradually that is he put upon the tree. Immediately that is changed the place. It is spring season visited the particular place and it has been changed everything. Birds came and singing beautiful songs, almost everything here there. So the boy cried. Here is almost when all children, that is see all the children saw, that is the giant that is put the boy, that is over the tree. This scene saw by all children when they were playing different places. They are afraid that they ran away. Again, that is when a small boy, that is hug, that is the giant and giving a kiss over his cheek, then immediately they came back and occupied their places. So in this way, we understood that he has changed his attitude. Now children, page number 41. Last class I think finished 40, but just once I repeated 40 page last line. When the other children saw that, they came running back, and with them came the spring. Because here the smallest boy kissed giant over his cheek. Next page 41. Okay, when they came back, how about the children? Here children means here tall girl and short boy, that is fair girl, graceful girl and round boy. How that is how did they express their feelings about old Jane's garden? Okay, next the giant. It's your garden. Now little children, hey little children, this is all your garden. You can play more and more hours. So I don't, that is beat anyone else. No instructions. నేను ఎవరిని ఎప్పుడు ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వను. మీ ఇష్టం ఎంతసేపు అనుకోండి. This is your garden. Old giant. I took a great axe and knocked down the wall. Before that, there is old giant built a high wall around his garden because no one should allow into his garden. But now he changed his attitude. So he took axe and that is here phrase knocked down is blasted. Entire that is fallen is that is when he built his high wall around his garden, that is he blasted with his axe. And when the people were going to market, outside of the people they are going to market to see this or that. At 12 o'clock they found me. They means that people found me because I am playing with the children. ప్రజలందరూ బయట వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తూ వస్తుంటారు. 12 o'clock ఆ టైంలో వాళ్ళు నేను ఇక్కడ ఉండటం, లోపల ఉండటం అనేది బయట వాళ్ళందరూ నన్ను చూస్తారు. They found me. Yes, me. Playing with the children. What did they find? Here they find, so playing with the children. I am playing with the children. Here me refers to old giant. వాళ్ళు బయట ప్రజలందరూ చూస్తారు, పబ్లిక్ అంతా నన్ను చూస్తుంటారు. నేను ఆ టైం ఏం చేస్తుంటాను, 12 o'clockకి పిల్లలందరితో కూడా చక్కగా I am playing with the children. This was seen by the people from outside people because it was no wall. When I knocked down the wall, people are able to see what was my garden. Next, they had my view most that is a beautiful garden. They had ever seen. What ever seen means when I am playing with the children in a loving manner, in an affectionate manner. They had never seen. Walls, బయట వాళ్ళు లోపల ఎలా గార్డెన్ లాగా తెలియదు. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్డెన్, బాగా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది గార్డెన్. సో అట్లాగే నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా ఉండటం అనేది వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు చాలా సర్ప్రైజ్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. దే హ్యాడ్ ఎవర్ సీన్, వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా నన్ను చూసుండ్రు. బికాస్ హియర్ ఈస్ ఐ కంప్లీట్లీ చేంజ్ మై సెల్ఫ్. ఆల్ డే లాంగ్ వీ ప్లేడ్ అండ్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్ కేమ్ టు bid me goodbye. So I think here is all day we long played. Here means we means children and Jane played many hours, and evening after that they are going to say that is bye bye and goodbye. Evening వెళ్ళే ముందు అందరికి పిల్లలందరూ almost they are all children, they are saying to bye bye to Jane. Is a relation here. Children, we understood that a type of relation. Here Jane and children in the lap of the nature. In the lap of the nature. Here also nature also very important. Next, what about the feelings of children? That is, what about the tall girl? Now we have somewhere to play. We have somewhere to play means we find some place that is garden here place. Short boy, this is much better than the road. Road కంటే ఇది better మనకి garden ఆడడం. Because here before that they play road. Before that they play road, but now that is they were playing in the garden. Spare girl next. Yes, the road is so dusty. It completely vehicles are there. That is dusty, and the dust makes me sneeze. Cold cough here is there. So road anta baga dust unnadi. When I played on the road, it makes me sneezing. Jalabu chesedi. Here is infection laga vachedi naku. ఇప్పుడు నేను గార్డెన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్నీజింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ గ్రేస్ఫుల్ అనదర్ ఫీలింగ్. అండ్ ద గ్రాస్ ఈజ్ సో మచ్ outside from compared to outside. Grass is here in this garden so much nicer than all those hard stones. Whereas the road is there, hard stones. We found hard stones, many hard stones. But what about his garden? Beautiful, that is a nice greenery. Nice greenery. Here is much grass. Much grass. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. They won't find any hard stones in his garden. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏమి కూడా హార్డ్ స్టోన్స్ అనేవి గుచ్చుకోవట్లేదు. చాలా చక్కగా గార్డెన్ గ్రీనరీ అంతా కూడా చక్కగా ఆకుపచ్చటి గడ్డి చాలా హైట్గా పెరిగింది. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఇట్ వాస్ సో నైస్, సో అట్రాక్టివ్. నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్ బాయ్. హియర్ ఇస్ దేర్. I like all the flowers in his garden. When I am playing in the garden, I like all those flowers. Because spring, I told you children, spring changed many changes. Spring brought many changes, especially nature. Nature changed everything, especially during spring season time itself. Next, graceful girl. And the trees, not only flowers, I like the trees also. Tall girl, how happy we are all here. We are all children. We meet together and play together, and we felt very happy because we were all playing here only. Thank you, Mr. Jain. They were all children going to say thanks to Mr. Jain. Why? Because the Jain allowed his garden to play and spend many hours in the garden. Round boy next. Yes, thank you. You are a very, very nice Jain. Round boy also that is, he also that is conveyed his gratefulness, thankfulness to Jain. The Jain. But where is your little companion? The Jain will interact with the children. Where is your little companion? Means the smallest boy. Companion is your friend. The Jain thought that a smallest boy is also their friends. It is. The boy I put it on the, that is put into the tree. నేను చెట్టు మీద పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళి పైన పెట్టానే ఆ బాయ్ నీ కంపెనీ కదా, నీ ఫ్రెండ్ కదా, అతను ఎక్కడ? గ్రేస్ఫుల్ బాయ్. I don't know. Actually, the graceful boy did not know who that is smallest boy. Round boy, that is, he has gone away. అతను వెళ్ళిపోయి ఉంటాడు బహుశా అన్నాడు. The Jain, you must tell him to be sure to come here tomorrow. Okay, he has gone away. Okay, you have to convey, please come tomorrow to my garden. Please visit my garden. Because here the Jain, that is, he has created affection towards a little boy. Little companion, that is. You must tell him to be sure to come here tomorrow. Please convey this matter to the smallest boy. Please come tomorrow. Next, another one, tall girl. But here is, I don't know where he lives. Actually, I don't know where he lives. Square girl. I have never seen him before. నేను ఇంతవరకు ఎప్పుడు అతను చూడలేదు. Tall girl ఏమో, I don't know where he lives. Next, square girl ఏమంటుంది? I have never seen him before. నేను ఇంతవరకు ఎప్పుడు, I have never seen such a boy. Him refers to smallest boy. ఇంతవరకు నేను అసలు చూడలేదు. The Jain, but I wanted to thank you. The Jain wanted to thank to the smallest boy. When he kissed me on the day, previous day, the smallest boy kissed on my cheek, I felt as though a great weight had been lifted from my heart. Had been lifted from my heart. So when the smallest boy kissed my cheek, that is a great, that is a heavy weight lifted from my heart. ఒక్కసారి ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ బాయ్ చిన్న కురవాడు నా చీక్స్ మీద, బుగ్గల మీద చక్కగా కిస్ చేశాడు, నా హార్ట్ ఉంటున్న ఒక్కసారి ఆ ప్రెషర్, వెయిట్, it was disappeared from my heart. That is, a great weight had disappeared from my heart when the smallest boy kissed my cheek. That is, okay, short boy, I am sorry, but I don't think he lives around here. But actually I don't know where does he lives. But actually I don't have any idea about the boy. That is, మీరు చెప్పేది మాకు ఐడియా లేదు, అతను ఎక్కడ ఉంటాడో ఏంటి అసలు ఏమీ కూడా మాకు తెలియదు. దట్ ఈస్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, లాస్ట్ paragraph is that old Jain. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with me. Every day. That is afternoon, after completion of school, they came to old Jain's garden and played some more time to him. Beginning. But I never saw again the little boy. But after that, some more days over. But I didn't see the little boy. I am looking for the boy only. Who I loved. So I loved so much the little boy. But he didn't visit my garden. Oh, I would like to see him again. So I wanted. Old Jain wanted to see him again. I have grown old and feeble. So here old Jain is grown. పెద్దవాడు అవుతున్నాడు. And feeble, that is weak. I am going to weak. I am grown and weak. నేను పెద్దవాడు అయిపోతున్నాను, ముసలివాడు అవుతాను, తర్వాత వీక్, బాగా నిరసించిపోతున్నాను. Feeble means not down children, weak. Waiting. ఇది బాగా నిరసించి వెయిట్ చేసి నీరసం వచ్చేస్తుంది. I cannot play about with the children anymore. Okay. I can't play with you, that is children. నేను మీతో ఆడలేను. I would take some rest. But I am waiting for the smallest boy who I loved him so much. నేను మీతో ఆడలేను, కొంచెం ఏజ్ పెరిగింది, కొంచెం టైర్డ్గా ఉంది. So I am waiting for the boy. How about the children anymore? So I sit here in my armchair. Here is just like that. He sit. The old Jain, that is here is he sat in his chair and watched the children. But he sat in his armchair in the garden, and he has been watching how children are playing in his garden. their children at their games and admire my garden. So children love his garden, that is admire means loves his garden, played, that is many hours, spent many hours in his garden. They loved very much. I have many beautiful flowers in his garden, so many beautiful flowers. But the children are most beautiful flowers of all. But here flowers are beautiful, but here is the giant compared to here the boys, almost all children are more and more beautiful than of all those flowers. Flowers can think of beautiful flower, hey children, mere child beautiful unaru. So you are playing, you are entertaining me, you are giving this kind of pleasure to me when you are playing. When I was watching how about your, that is how you are playing with the games. మీరు ఎట్లా ఆడుతున్నారు, మీరు ఎలా షేర్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు, అదే మిమ్మల్ని చూడటం అంతా కూడా నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. Here is flower getting up and looking out of the window. He is getting up from his chair and looking out of the window. That is, he has been waiting for the smallest boy. That is the smallest boy. It is ultimate. Okay, children. I think I shall finish this part 2 selfish giant by next class. Children, I have to say one thing. Just you should see your textbook when I am explaining, and that is note down which are very important points when I am explaining throughout the lesson. Okay, children. See you next class. Thank you very much.